I bought an infrared thermometer, and it's been really interesting to see just how hot things get. This is my old Vogelsang box stove, and you can see it's putting out some heat right now. I've got a good fire going in there. If you're wondering why my stovepipe goes from 6-inch to 10-inch, is because I was originally going to blacksmith right here, and you want a lot of draft if you're going to coal forge. You can see I got a little break in the elbow right there, and there's some flame that you can see. Wood stoves are not the most efficient source of heat that you can get, but it is a really nice source of heat and an affordable source of heat. So I think that this thermometer is pretty darn accurate. I'm curious what you think. We got about 1800 degrees here. Does that sound right? Leave me a comment if you have any idea if that is what it should be. I think this thing's pretty accurate, but you just never know, and it's good to get a second opinion. So I'd appreciate that if you would let me know. You can see I have a heat shield up against the wall there. That's like 24 gauge steel, and it's only 8 inches away from the stove. You can see it's 3/4 of an inch or so from the barn wall. You can see that little board going up there. So it's not touching the actual barn wall. But I'm curious, is this too hot? Do I need more of a gap or another layer there? I would appreciate some advice. Again, throw me a comment. I'm curious what you think. Am I going to burn my barn down? Is there something else I need to do there? Let me know. Hope you got something out of this. Thanks, and have a good one.